You're not there already? Yeah, Evan. Yes. Yes, and I will help you through that hurdle. That is what I'm here for. Yep, you'll get it. I have a lot of confidence in you.
Decimals, they're trying to trick you when you're dividing decimals. All you gotta do is use decimals for that.
Exactly. All right, so those of you who are talking who shouldn't be talking, you might want to think twice about that because I am writing down names up here who people who are talking without raising their hand. Okay, so Ian, you have your book open to page 166?
Yep.
Perfect. All right, so example 1, divide 365 by 6. So 365 divided by 6. All right, so when I look at this, what do you do first, Mr. Evan? What do you do first when you look at this? Exactly. So 6 does not go into 3, so I'll put a 0 right there as a placeholder. And so then I say, how many times does 6 go into 36, right? So how many times does 6 go into 36? It'll go in 6 times exactly. 6 times 6 is 36. So 6 times 6, 36. So I'll write 36 right below that because 6 times 6 is 36. Goes in perfectly. So 36 minus 36 is going to equal 0. And what's my next step in division here, Ian? What do I need to do with this 5? Bingo. Bring down the 5. And exactly. Yep. Right. Yep. So 60 because 6 doesn't go into 5. And then my remainder is whatever is left right here. So what is left is 5. So I would write 60 with a remainder of 5. 60 with a remainder of 5. Yes. Yes. What is it?
When there is a number that can't divide the 6 into the middle, and would it be okay if you moved it over and put down that spot and gave them a bigger number?
Sorry, Ian, what was that? I heard the first part of it. What was the last part?
So if you have a number that you can't divide into the middle,
yes,
and you just put a 0 up the top and you do it into the bigger number.
Exactly. You could, yeah. Yep.
That's what I've been doing. I didn't know what to do.
Yes, I've seen, like on your test, I saw how you're doing it, and you have been doing much better with division, I've noticed. So when you guys are passing stuff back, please be quiet when you're doing it. Okay, so example 2. So we have 635 divided by 6. 635 divided by 6. So Evan, explain to me, what do I do first here? Yep. And so what am I going to put underneath the 6 right here? Yep. And then what do I do? Bingo. So you say it's always this number, the 6. So does 6 go into 3?
No.
No, it doesn't. So I would put a 0 right here. And then what would I do next? What do I do with the 5? Yep, I bring the 5 down now. And now I say, Well, how many times does 6 go into 35? Bingo. And what's 6 times 5, Evan? Bingo. Bingo. Good job, Evan. All right, do you guys want to try one more example like that? Or do you guys feel okay, better about division? You feel better? You guys want me to do one more example? Because I can. Okay, let's do it. I think let's get one more example in to make sure we got it. So let's do a money one, because I see that you guys have some money division problems in there. So I'm gonna do letter F on your homework. Letter F, so here's a free answer right here, so you can check your answer. So $5.25 divided by 5. So $5.25 divided by 5. So if you didn't get this one in your homework, now you can do it. So what would I do first here, Ian? I could, but first I want to make sure I put my money sign there and my decimal point right there. I usually do that too, but I've noticed that some of us, when I'm grading the homework, some of us forget the decimal and the money sign. So I would do that first, because I don't want us to forget that money sign, because $5 is a lot different than $500, right? So if you were if you were getting a paycheck, you'd be pretty mad if you got $5 instead of $500 on your paycheck, right? Right. And you'd be pretty upset if you ended up just getting $5, right? You don't want your employer to gyp you.
So let's please use $1,000 instead of $10.
Right. So 5 goes into 5 how many times, Ian?
Huh?
5 goes into 5 how many times? 1 time. So 5 times 1 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Ian, what am I going to do next here?
Well, I can see that 5 doesn't go into 2, so I bring down the 2, and then I put 0 on top, and then I divide 5 into 25, and I get and then you do
Yeah. $1.05. Nice. All right. I'm pretty happy with what I'm seeing here. So $1.05. Good. So that is letter F on your homework. So if you didn't get that one, there you go. Go ahead and write it up there. Yeah, Madeline?
Oh, I thought you said I had an F on my homework.
Oh, no, you didn't get that. Yeah.
I have to 28.
26, 28. Okay, I'll be over there just a sec once I close this down.
Oh, isn't it time?
You guys have until 10:45 until you're excused. But yeah, I haven't excused you yet.
So